Hello, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you are all good. If this is your first time coming across this channel, you're highly welcome. This is Kamsi Space. You are highly welcome. If you consider this video interesting, please subscribe, comment, like and share, and remember to leave the bell icon on so that you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Yeah guys, today I want to share with you how to process this palm fruit to extract palm oil. If you have not seen where palm oil is processed, please, this video is for you. Sit down and watch step by step on how to get this ready, okay? Yeah, first we are shedding the palm fruit. As you can see, this video we are shedding the palm fruit. After shedding it, we start to pick them one after the other and remove some chaff and keep it neat so that after the production, the oil will come out very neat for consumption. Yeah, after this process, in this process guys, we are going to cook it. The essence of cooking it is just to make the fruit soft for pounding or blending. Watch, I'm roasting what they call palm fruit, and the fire is very sweet, honestly. I'm roasting it. After roasting, you chew it. It's interesting and delicious. Yeah guys, the palm fruit is softened enough. Now we are taking it to the place where we will pound it. So we are pounding it manually. You watch me pound this palm fruit. Okay? So keep watching, guys. It's interesting, right? See me, oh my God. I'm using all my strength to do this. Because of you guys, I want you to watch me do all this. Oh my God, hope you're enjoying it. Hi. Don't eat that.
I need to gauge you she don't do when she don't need a drink.
She gets strength. Yeah guys, we are done pounding the palm fruit. Now we are transferring it into oil pressing machine. Oil pressing machine consists of the clamp, screw jack, and a wooden block. It also has a basin which collects the oil. Now, after transferring the pounded palm fruit into the clamp, you place these two wooden blocks on top of it. Now you place the screw jack on top of the clamp to apply pressure on the wooden blocks. The oil flows into a container through an opening. Oil starts to come out from the perforation of the clamp, as you can see it. Hope you are enjoying it. Real palm oil. This is how palm oil is processed and produced. The valve is open when pressing is complete, and then the chaff fiber and the kernel are knocked out. Then now we are trying to separate the palm kernel from the chaff. This chaff, you can use it as a firewood. You can use it to cook when it is dry, so you have to allow it to dry before you make use of it. Yeah guys, this is very interesting. I love this. Honestly, I am so happy to be a partaker to this oil processing. I know guys, you know how to process this oil. So guys, I know you love this video. Thank you so much for staying with me, for making this my journey worthwhile. Honestly, I'm so grateful. Thank you all that are watching my video.
Hey guys, hope you like this video. If you really do, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like and share. Like Zara used to say, share to your families, share to your friends. See you in our next video. Bye.